take the blame. No one knows who you are, and I never will again. And I can still remember the day you up and left. I swear it was a moment I never will forget. You said you'd take me prisoners, and that's just what you did. You took my heart captive, but we know that you are meant. Welcome to your life, welcome to goodbye. You see the big world through small town eyes. And welcome to the point of no return. Let the past ignite and memories burn. I think welcome to wherever you are. I can go that.